Hello students, a very warm morning to each and every students of class 5. Dears, how are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. Students, so as well as yesterday, we have read about the chapter 50 which was about the scientists and with their inventions. Students, I hope so you all have understood and completed the exercises. And now today I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 51. Students, so let's take out your book and open the chapter 51, and the chapter is about the body talk. Body talk means in this chapter we are going to read about the things which is related to our body, okay, our parts of the body. And the page number which we have, that is page number 58. Page number 58. So let's start it. Yes, how will you complete this one? Match the pictures of different organ systems with their respective functions. Match the pictures of different organ system. Students, as well as you can see there are given some pictures. You have to just match to these all the different organ system with their respective function. Means इनके जो भी function है, ठीक है, मीन्स ये जो है किस चीज़ से रिलेटेड है उसको आपको मैच करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, मीन्स यू हैव टू टेल दैट नाउ विच पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी मेक्स आर विच टाइप ऑफ थिंग or why is that important. We have to just read about this in this chapter. So let's start. First one, provides shape and support to our body. Now which function is that? Which provides shape? कौन से ऐसे हमारे बॉडी के फंक्शन है जो कि हमें क्या करता है, प्रोवाइड शेप, जो हमारे बॉडी को शेप प्रोवाइड करता है, एंड सपोर्ट टू आवर बॉडी, और हमारे बॉडी को सपोर्ट करता है. स्टूडेंट्स, सो टेल मी विच पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी इज दैट. You can see all the names are given there. You can see circulatory system is given there, and after that digestive system is given there, and then next you have muscular system is given there. Next nervous system is given there, and after that respiratory system, and then you have skeletal system. Okay, so these are the organ system, different organ systems which do the work for our body function. So first, which organ provides shape and support to our body? Let's start to see. Are you having the first number? Yes, skeleton. यहाँ देखिए skeleton system है ना. Yes, ये जो skeleton system है ये क्या करते हैं, हमारे बॉडी को शेप और हमारे बॉडी को क्या करता है, सपोर्ट करता है. ठीक है, skeleton system. So what will you do? You will match to this function with this organ system. Clear? Okay, next one you have controls all our actions. Control all our actions. Now which organ system is that which control? कौन सी ऐसी organ system है जो क्या करता है, हमारे सारे actions को control करता है. Second number, yes, nervous system. What is that? Nervous system means nerves जो है ना, nervous नहीं बोलते इसको, nerves बोलते हैं, nerves. ठीक है, नर्व सिस्टम देखिए हमारे एक्शन को कंट्रोल करता है. नेक्स्ट आपका है एब्जॉर्ब ऑक्सीजन एंड गिव्स आउट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम बॉडी. ऑब्जर्व ऑक्सीजन. नाउ विच ऑर्गन सिस्टम इज दैट विच ऑब्जर्व्स ऑक्सीजन, जो ऑक्सीजन को ऑब्जर्व करता है, एंड गिव्स आउट, और क्या करता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है हमारे बॉडी से देता है. ठीक है, now which is that? That's your respiratory system. See there, respiratory system. Friends, be aware about the spelling, respiratory system. Next we have 4 number. See there the 4 number. Help us to walk, smile, kick, move, or lift our body part. Now which organ system helps us to walk? कौन सी हमारी organ system है जो हमारी क्या करती है, हमें walk करने में, smile करने में, kick करने में, move करने में, और हमारी body parts को क्या करता है, lift करने में उसको help करता है. Which is that? Yes, so see there, that's your muscular system. Muscular system. You can see muscular system is this. Then 5 number, helps to break down the food into simpler forms. And the second thing is about which organ system helps to break कौन सी ऑर्गन सिस्टम है जो क्या करता है, हमारी हेल्प करता है ब्रेक डाउन करने में, ओके, फॉर चीविंग द फूड इनटू सिंपलर फॉर्म. यस, विच इज दैट? दैट्स योर digestive system. It help us to break down the food into simpler forms. Digestive system. And the last and sixth one you have, carries oxygen and food to all parts of bodies through blood. Carries oxygen. ये क्या करता है सिस्टम? ये ऑक्सीजन को कैरी करता है फूड टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी थ्रू ब्लड. मीन्स ब्लड के थ्रू ये ऑक्सीजन को क्या करता है, चारों तरफ कैरी करता है. एंड दैट इज नोन एज दी what? That's your circulatory system. Circulatory system. Strands completed? Yes. First was about your what? Skeletal system. See there. First you have skeletal system. Second was nerve system. And third was about respiratory system. And fourth was about the muscular system, and then digestive system, and the last system was about the circulatory system. Clear? Okay students, so first of all you may give the numbers and after that you have to match. उसके बाद क्या करना है, उसके बाद आपको मैच करना है. ठीक है, आप इन सारे ऑर्गन सिस्टम को उनके रेस्पेक्टिव फंक्शन के साथ मैच कर देंगे. क्लियर? ओके, सो नाउ आई हैव वन मोर चैप्टर फॉर टुडे. So let's come there. Page number 52. All of you take out the page number 52. And this chapter is also about the good health. It is also related to our health. And in this chapter we will have some things, some important and useful things for keeping our health good. So the page number, let me show you. That is page number 59. Let's open it. Start now. Answer the following questions on health. You have to give some answers of this question which are about the health. Clear? Start now. Which of these is the source of vitamin E? You can see there are so many options. So you have to tell which of these is the source of vitamin E. Means vitamin A का जो source है वो कौन सा है. ठीक है? So first you have lettuce, second sugar, next carrots and next veal. Yes, so as you can see, carrot, it is the source of a vitamin A. So you will take this one and all the remaining will be what? All the remaining will be cross. ठीक है, और ये सारे क्रॉस हो जाएंगे आपके. क्लियर है? ओके, come on the next. Which of the following minerals should you never take? Which of the following mineral should you never take? मीन्स कौन सी ऐसी फॉलोइंग मिनरल है, मीन्स खनिज पदार्थ है जो कि हमें कभी नहीं लेना चाहिए. व्हाट इज दैट? आयरन, लीड, कॉपर और मैग्नीज. यस, दैट्स लीड. वी शुड नॉट टेक दिस मिनरल, नेवर. लीड. And cross to the all remaining one. Which of the following contributes to hardening of the what? Arteries. Which of the following contributes to hardening of the arteries? What is that? That's your cholesterol. Second, chlorine, then fluorine, and then cholesterol. So the correct answer will be cholesterol. Clear? So take this one. Second है 1 cup of which of these highest in protein? 1 cup of which of is highest in protein? Cottage cheese, milk, cornflakes or pulses? That's your cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is the one of which these in highest protein. Highest protein जो है cottage cheese में है. Okay? तो टिक कर लेंगे इसको. सेकेंड है स्कर्वी इज कॉज्ड बाय द लैक ऑफ विच न्यूट्रिएंट? स्कर्वी जो है वो किसके लैकिंग, मीन्स ओनली कॉज ऑफ विच लैकिंग और विच न्यूट्रिएंट लैकिंग की वजह से होता है आपका? दैट्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है या विटामिन ई है या विटामिन सी और विटामिन डी. येस, इट इज़ द कॉज ऑफ विटामिन सी. ये विटामिन सी के कॉज की वजह से होता है, विटामिन सी की वजह से होता है. ओके. Second, what is the most what is the most abundant mineral in our body? The most abundant mineral which is in our body is called calcium. Okay, you can see some more are there: iron, phosphorus, or magnesium, but these are not so important or so abundant. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in our body. Clear? Okay, come on the next. What combines with iron to make hemoglobin? What combines with iron to make hemoglobin? Yes, that's combined protein. That's combined protein to make. That's combined protein with iron to make hemoglobin. So tick to this one. Clear है? Next पे आपका है, on which of the following could you sustain health for the longest period? On which of the following could you sustain health for the longest period? That will be your meat, coconuts or tomatoes. Yes, soya bean. As well as you call it Nutrella. इसको Nutrella भी call करते हैं ना, and that is called also soya bean. So tick to this one. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin A? Now which one is the following? Which one is the following of a good source of vitamin A? Milk, seeds, grains or lemons? Yes, milk is the what? Good source of vitamin A. That's your milk. Next and last one you have, lack of which nutrient causes hemorrhage? Means by which lacking of nutrient causes hemorrhage? मीन्स किस न्यूट्रिएंट की लैकिंग की वजह से, रीज़न की वजह से हेमरेज होता है. सो ब्रेन हेमरेज होता है ना. येस, दैट्स कॉल्ड विटामिन ए, विटामिन बी और विटामिन के. येस, दैट इज योर विटामिन के, बिकॉज इट हैपन्स only causes by what? Vitamin K. Clear? Okay. So students, now these two chapters are there for today's worksheet. All of you, let's take out this book, GK book, and complete these two chapters. First were about the what? Body talks, and second was about the good health. Students, let's come to complete it and also revise it. Clear? Okay. I hope so students you all have understood these. And whenever you will fill your exercises, you will learn it well. Okay, so now thank you. Have a good day.